Hi, welcome to the Scholastic Literacy Pro Library onboarding video for students. In this video, you will learn about Literacy Pro Library, its benefits to you, steps to log in, and its amazing key features. Literacy Pro Library is an engaging, interactive library that offers fascinating ebooks for your students to develop a love of reading and to motivate them to read extensively. Titles include Read and Think activities, which support your students as they read the books independently. The portal also includes ebooks, which you can use as teaching resources for interactive read-aloud sessions in class. Literacy Pro Library is a companion program to Literacy Pro. Your students can access and read the ebooks in Literacy Pro Library directly from Literacy Pro. Literacy Pro Library offers anytime, anywhere access to more than 1,000 Lexile-leveled ebooks for extensive reading, including STEM and world cultures. The ebooks in this library range from below 0 Lexile for beginning readers to above 1,500 Lexile for advanced readers of English. Look at the incredible variety of books from which students can choose to read. And these are not just any books. These are in fact high quality, authentic, popular and best-selling fiction and non-fiction titles that students want to read. Certainly, there is a book that will appeal to every student's interest. Your students might be the same age, but have very different reading levels. It can vary as much as their shoe sizes. Lexile is a reading metric system which identifies your students' reading abilities in Lexile levels. It also matches your students with books at their unique reading level so that they get the right level of challenge. The idea behind Lexile is simple. If you know how well a student can read and how hard a specific book is to comprehend, you can predict how well that student will likely understand that book. Reading within one's Lexile reading range with Literacy Pro Library offers several benefits to students. Your students will read with confidence, control, enjoyment, and most importantly, at the appropriate level of challenge. When students are matched with books they can read and understand, they will sufficiently challenged to improve, and they will enjoy a successful reading experience without frustration or boredom. Motivation to read extensively increases, and vocabulary and overall comprehension also improve. In addition, there are also spillover effects on other language skills such as listening, speaking, and writing. To use Scholastic Literacy Pro Library, log in via Scholastic Learning Zone or SLZ. Key in your username and password. Next, under My Zone, tap on the Literacy Pro Library icon to proceed. Scholastic Literacy Pro Library offers amazing features to students. On your home page, you can view your reading performance metrics, books assigned from your teacher, and books you have self-selected to read. Don't forget to check your mailbox for new book assignments and messages from your teacher. This filter helps you to review your personal reading performance over time. The Books page allows you to easily find and read books independently. Literacy Pro Library offers interactive and flexible support to motivate you to read extensively and to build comprehension, such as read-along option, mouse over dictionary, and read and think activities. If you have taken the Lit Pro test in Literacy Pro, the books here are automatically filtered to suit your Lexile reading range. Use the filter here to search for books to read. Click the I button to open up the book info. The book info gives you details such as the Lexile level, genre, and summary of the book. Click this button to read the book. The book comes with Read and Think activities to support your reading and comprehension. You will come across these activities before you read, while you read, and after you read the book. Here's the before reading activity to activate your background knowledge about the topic. Answer the question, check your answer, and click Next to go to the next page. This book comes with audio read-along to support English language learners, beginning readers, and struggling readers. Press play to activate it.
Allergies by Sharon Gordon. Achoo. Achoo. What made you sneeze? Is it the cat?
If you don't understand any word on the pages, tap on the word to see the definition.
Sneeze. When you sneeze, a lot of air comes out of your nose and mouth very suddenly. Please cover your mouth when you sneeze, the school nurse told us.
Answer the question. Check your answer before you turn to the next page. You will come across more questions for the next pages to keep you engaged as you finish reading the book. After you have finished reading the book, take the book quiz to check your comprehension. There are 10 multiple choice questions in every book quiz. You will know your result at the end of the book quiz. You can also rate and comment about the book here. Check your collection page to see if your teacher has assigned a collection of books to you. To open up the books in the assigned collection, tap on the book overlay. To read each book within the collection, simply tap on the book cover to open it. Scholastic Literacy Pro Library will benefit you tremendously. It's a portal where you can read a variety of ebooks by Lexile levels, genres, topics of interest, and many more. Literacy Pro Library encourages you to read extensively to improve your comprehension. To keep you motivated, the program allows you to easily monitor your personal reading effort and progress. Titles in this library include those with Read and Think activities to support your independent reading and comprehension, as well as to keep you engaged and motivated in reading extensively. The ebooks in this program come with after-reading book quizzes to check your comprehension.